name's Freddy. I'm playing again, guys. I love this game so much. We're going to play as much as possible. Back into the game. So here we go. Back. We're going to make a Lumberbot 3.0. We need 2 more moss lumber, 3 more red timber, 24 lumber, and we need 9 more sturdy lumber. So we're going to go over here because all our plants our trees are fully grown. We're going to kill them all. This won't take very long to get all the lumber. Final tree. Okay, now go talk to my dad. Get all the. Okay, we should have all of the. Okay, we still need more sturdy lumber and more. We need more of everything. Now, more wood droppings. Plant more trees. Okay, we have mail. Both the wood bots we made are giving us stuff. Okay, this is where the redwoods are from last episode, so I'm gonna get some of that. Cut this down. And I don't know why I just cut that down, but we did. Okay. Mr. Termite doesn't need our help. Hey, 2.0. I'm gonna make another 2.0 so it's matches. And we should have enough beaver points to unlock something in the store. That's what they're called. They're called beaver points. Hello. No, I'd like to visit the shop. No, I can't. I have 5 only. Okay. 2 common wood. Good. Okay. Oh, kill the monsters. Oh, I got tiki bones. Okay. So we need to keep making trees. Let's go check out the whales. There they are. Keep playing chess. So I said, Phil, I need some respect. He was like, you need some exercise. I was like, rude, smoothie time. And we got a diving bell. Well, that's very sad that your friend wanted you to exercise. Like, people don't ever ask me to exercise because I'm vegan. I don't eat any fatty foods. Unlike my cousin, Darklight Freddy. Oh, he eats chicken nuggets. That's not very healthy for you, children. Oh, we fell. Will this marshmallow ever get toasted? Doesn't look like it, buddy. If only there was a rope to climb out with. Okay, fine. If there was only a rope that didn't smell like beaver. Oh, we fell. There's a way to get up with the rope. And he apparently hates beaver smell. See, look, there's a rope right here. That's how we get out. Build the bridge. Mail. Got some more common wood. We should have enough wood. Oh, okay. I guess we're at the end of the game. You're doing great out there. You make an old beaver proud. It's little moments like that. That make the war against termites worth fighting. Surely by now, you've seen your unquenchable thirst for blood or wood. Mostly wood. It's still tragic. If only your mother were here, she would weep. And hopefully she would be making pies as well. Now, teach you how to build a few more things. Oh yeah, you have a date tonight. Yeehaw! This one is a winner for sure. Okay, we got 1 acre plants, and 1 acre and plants. Later that night, we have a toad. You can tell I'm female because I'm wearing a bow on my head. It doesn't look like that bow will stay on forever. Okay, I don't know why my father would think that she's a winner. She's probably a loser. Did you know that this takes place before FNAF was made? It's crazy, right? Okay. We need a little bit more red lumber. And then we'll be fine. So we need to beat that mini game again, or we just need to randomly kill them! They're too big! They're too big! Got coconut. Those didn't look like coconuts, they look like lots of coconuts. Okay. Oh no! Oh, there's a minigame. What is the sound? What is that? A sound of a rescue ship? Oh, Squiddy has gas again. How unfortunate. Take this for good luck. Okay, beach thorns. You always give me beach thorns. If there was only a... Okay, we already went through this. Smelly boot. Okay, minigame. Things bounce on my head. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, start. Oh. Oh no. Oh. I understand what's happening. I'm Freddy Fazbear, and I give this game an approval stamp. I just stamp it with an approval sign. Yay, we won! What happens now? I watch people while they sleep. Oh, yeah. Here is some fungal fertilizer. Use it to supercharge your watering can. And that's not creepy at all. Okay. I guess this makes our trees go really big. And I don't know why I just destroyed that. Okay, let's put that back. Nothing ever happened there. Okay. Common wood. Rich wood. Okay. What are we at now? We need 4 sturdy lumber. We're good at red lumber. We need 2 more. Okay, we're pretty much just supposed to get lumber. That's the easiest wood to get because you automatically get it. And we can use that supercharge. Oh, that's moss wood. But we still need it. We still need it. Die! More wasp wood. Well, I guess it understood that I needed wasp wood, but not this much. Come on. Come on. We need to supercharge this tree. Okay, it's male. Supercharge. Supercharge. I'm supercharging this plant. Supercharge. I don't know how long the supercharge lasts. Come on, supercharge. Come on. We need to supercharge this wood. Supercharge. Okay, this is gonna take a while, but hi guys, how are you doing? Okay, it's back to normal. And let's just cut down these 2 trees. Let's cut down this one. Okay, let's collect it. Let's make this at 100. And then we're gonna have to kill you, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. Hi, son. Hi, father. I almost said son. You're not my son. You're my daddy. Okay, let's see here. We need lumber and sturdy lumber. Okay. lumber, sturdy lumber. So we're gonna need one tree that's really big. So let's just sit here. Okay, get some stuff. More mail. Wow. I feel bad for the postage man. He comes every 3 seconds. Come on. I'm about there. And come on. Don't take forever. Yay! We eat the tree. And there's more monsters! Kill it! Redwood. That's good. Mosswood, we don't need that, but sure. Lumber, normal lumber. And then let's get my father, your father, take these and these. What do we at now? We need 3 more lumber and 1 single sturdy lumber. Okay, that's exceptional. Monster, kill it! Mosswood, take. No, I think we have enough to make my final. Oh no, we don't. Okay, let's keep going. No, more monsters. Mosswood. Okay, I don't know why I just killed that tree, but I have a habit of doing it now. So I'm a tree murderer. You can put that in the comments. I know Toy Freddy will. Come on. Once we're done killing this tree and making 3.0, then we're gonna end the video, so I need to do that. Come on. Okay, that should be enough. Is that good enough? Is it good enough for you? Okay, it is. Okay, we made our sturdy lumber, and we need 2 more. 2 more. This is okay. I guess we just got another thing. Come on. Yep. Kill the tree. We're not tree murderers here. We're planting them back. Okay. Don't rage out in the comments. We didn't do it on purpose. Okay. Now we can make it. I don't know where to put it though. Let's put it over here. Right there. Let's destroy that tree. And then let's build 3.0. Yay! Okay, now what does he want to do next time? Great work! Now go gather supplies. Try your best and I'll give you something to help out. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next time. I love this game, so I'm gonna play it probably tomorrow, because I can't make another video tonight. We're gonna be active pretty soon, because we're active at 12 a.m. So, bye guys!